Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to link Discord to your PlayStation or Xbox. So first, open Discord on your phone or computer and go to user settings. Then find connections and select the PlayStation network or Xbox option. After that, follow the instruction to sign in to your console account and authorize the connection. Once your accounts are linked, you can use Discord's available features with your console account. On PlayStation, you can also use Discord voice chat directly through supported console features. Xbox users can similarly connect Discord and use the available voice and communication options. So that was how to link Discord with PlayStation or Xbox. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.